Hello, and welcome to BioX's flower video tutorial guide. I just want to thank you for your interest in BioX products. If this is the first time you're purchasing from BioX, we appreciate your time and know you will love our products. If you are a returning customer, we continue to appreciate your loyalty to our products. BioX Plant Nutrients is a liquid plant-based fertilizer made up of two parts. Flower Parts A, and Flower Part B. BioX Flower Parts A and B are a two-part based plant nutrient formulation that is easy to use. You just measure the two parts according to the mixing instructions on the bottle. With over a decade of cannabis culture experience, BioX is also credited for the first tissue culture media in the cannabis GE breeding protocol, the first plant nutrients to mimic plant tissue culture outside of the lab. Using that knowledge and experience, we created BioX Flower Part A and B, which includes a perfect plant cellular balance technology. Your plant's molecular structure will constantly be maintained at the perfect level for optimal growth. BioX is going to be a real gamechanger for you, which is why we know you are going to love it. Scientists have identified 17 essential nutrients and grouped them according to the relative amounts of each that plants need. The 17 essential plant elements include nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, boron, chlorine, iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, molybdenum, and nickel. The non-mineral essential plant elements include hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. These are either absorbed as a gas or water. There are 4 elements that are beneficial to promote plant growth but are not considered to be necessary for the completion of the plant life cycle. They are silicon, sodium, cobalt, and selenium. These elements can be further divided into 3 categories: primary or macronutrients, secondary, and micronutrients based on the relative concentrations typically found in plant tissues. Primary nutrients, also known as macronutrients, are those usually required in the largest amounts. They are carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and potassium. Secondary nutrients are usually needed in moderate amounts compared to the primary essential nutrients. They are calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Micronutrients or trace nutrients are required in tiny amounts compared to primary or secondary nutrients. They are boron, chlorine, copper, iron, magnesium, molybdenum, and zinc. Very few plants need 5 other nutrients: cobalt, nickel, silicon, sodium, and vanadium. For plants to develop flowers and fruit, they need a balanced source of 20 mineral elements, or nutrients, including very little nitrogen, and calcium, and needs a higher source of phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. BioX Plant Nutrients is a liquid plant-based fertilizer made up of 2 parts. Flower Part A, and Flower Part B. BioX Complete Base Nutrient is for all growth environments like clay, rockwool, dripline, moss, and cocoa. BioX Flower and Grow Part A and B are made for recirculating, and deep water hydroponics systems. Our liquid product's unique composition expedites the transfer of nutrients from the root zone into the foliage. At the same time, each application provides plants with a perfectly balanced combination of nutrients for optimum production. All BioX products are extremely concentrated and have the lowest dilution rates available. All ingredients and additives are made with pharmaceutical and/or food-grade ingredients in small batches to ensure consistent quality and experience. It contains no bulking agents or additional additives. BioX Flower Part A and B ensures a strong plant with large vital shoots. BioX Flower Part A and B nutrition also contains stabilizers, which makes it extremely easy to keep the pH in the nutrient reservoir within the optimum range. BioX Flower Part A and B are easy to use, dissolves directly, and is extremely suitable for growing with recirculating hydroponic systems. If you want the best results, you've got to have the best versions of each of these in the right amounts. That's where BioX comes in. BioX Parts A and B for Flower and Grow are both been meticulously crafted to give you the perfect amount of each of these 17 elements. Wherever possible, we've included the highest quality chelated versions. What is chelation? Chelation is altering an element at the molecular level by attaching tiny hooks all the way around the elemental ion that totally encapsulates it. The surfactant relaxes the tension in the liquids of your growing medium so the nutrients can move freely. With these 2 forces working together, it's like a feeding free-for-all for your entire grow cycle. So, I have a question for you: would you like to try BioX Nutrients? Not only do they perfectly mimic the tissue culture balance technology, but they address every one of your plant's 17 elemental needs. Going far above and beyond the call of duty, BioX is much more than your average NPK nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Each of the elements in BioX Flower and Grow Parts A and B is chelated to the highest quality standards currently possible. The results from your BioX Flower Part A is developed specifically to fulfill the plant's needs optimally during its growth. BioX Flower Part A is extremely suitable for growing with recirculating hydroponic systems such as NFT, ebb and flow systems and the cultivation of clay pellets. Of course, you would. That's why you're going to love the exclusive offer I have for you. It's going to help you improve the results you get with BioX Plant Nutrients. This is a liquid plant-based fertilizer made up of 2 parts, Flower Part A, and Flower Part B. It'll help you get those results in far less time than you could otherwise. You're getting a huge discount because you just invested in BioX Plant Nutrients. I want you to get the best possible results with BioX Flower and Grow Parts A and B, or a 2-part base plant nutrient formulation that is super easy to use. You just measure the 2 parts, according to the mixing instructions on the bottle, and you are there. Now you have time for yourself. And because BioX Flower and Grow Part A and B include a perfect plant cellular balance technology. Your plant's molecular structure will constantly be maintained at the perfect level for optimal growth. Our BioX plant fertilizers are specifically designed to meet the unique needs of hydroponic and soil plant production. BioX plant nutrients are produced from 100% liquid base nutrients, not powders. Combined with our unparalleled mixing technology in the USA and incredible zero-waste facility, BioX Flower Part A and Part B is the cleanest and most concentrated base nutrient on the market. Always make sure to test your EC when using our super concentrated formulas, so you can use less for more success. Please contact us to find our why BioX fertilizer is the perfect fertilizer for your hydroponic and soil system needs.